You are going to love the 2021 Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van. Flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, dual rear wheels, auxiliary audio input. Your new ride is just a phone call away.